Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to post GIFs to your Facebook feed. This tutorial will be quick and easy only. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on your phone and click on what's on your mind. And now here you will have these options. You just need to scroll down and you will find GIF. Click on that and you just need to choose what GIF you would like to post. Let's choose Happy Saturday. And there you go. You just need to click on post to confirm and share it publicly, and that's it. That's how you post GIF to your Facebook feed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!